Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to make a cricket ball. I already have a cricket ball tutorial, but it was made with the older version. I am using 5 now, so we will take advantage of the new array modifier and the curve to tube modifier. So first let's remove everything, add an UV sphere, then rotate it in the y-axis. Y, I will rotate it in the 90 degree. Now go to the edit mode and select half of it. I have to split it in half. Enable the X-ray mode so we can see through it and select everything from the other side. Now select half of it, then press P to separate. Choose the selection. Now we have a two part of the ball. Now hide one and select one and go to the edit mode. Select this edge loop, then extrude it and scale it down. Let's put a fixed value. I am using a fixed value because I want to use the same value for the other side. So the both settings will be same. Now select this one and add bevel by pressing Ctrl B and drag it slowly. Let's add another loop cut. Okay, and click to release when you are happy. I am using a fixed value here too. Now this side is done. Let's do the same for the other side. Select this loop cut, extrude and scale. Use 0.9. Now bevel this one. 0.015. Okay, after doing this, shade smooth for smooth look, then add a subdivision surface modifier for more realistic look. Okay, the ball shape is ready. This is the basic shape. Let's add the thread for the stitch line. Hide both of them. Disable the X-ray mode for now. Now add a nerf curve for the thread. You can use a path curve or Bezier curve, but I found this one is almost the similar what I am looking for. Now go to the edit mode, select those bottom vertices and scale them down until it's look like a small speed bump. I think this one will work for me. Now go to the modifier tab, then add a curve to tube modifier. This one is the new modifier in the Blender 5.0. We can remove the cap. We don't need it because this side will go inside the ball. You can still modify this after using the modifier. Now let's show both of them. Sorry, hide one so we can see this better. Compare with the size. We can scale it down. Then apply the scaling so it will work better. Now let's have 3 loop cuts here for the stitch guide. We already have one here. Let's add one between these 2 loop cuts, then another one here. I'm taking this temporarily. I will remove them later. So now select 3 of them. Put in the vertex select mode. Enable the edge select mode. Then select this three loop cuts and duplicate them by pressing Shift D and separate them by pressing P and choose the selection. Now we have the separate stitch guide. Let's hide it to see the loop cuts better. Go to the edit mode. Now let's remove those extra loop cuts. Select both of them and press Ctrl X to dissolve edges. X is the shortcut to dissolve. So when we are in the edge select mode and press Ctrl X, it will work as dissolve edges. If we are in the vertex select mode and select some vertices and press Ctrl X, this Ctrl X will work as a dissolve vertex. And if we're in the face select mode, this will work as a face dissolve. Let's undo this. Let's enable this stitch guide. Go to object mode, select this thread and add an array modifier. This is also the new array modifier in Blender 5.0. I have added one. Now choose the circle as shape and let's change the axis. In this tutorial, in my case, I have to choose the x-axis. In your case, maybe the axis will be different. So let's increase the radius to fit this ball. This much is okay, I think. Now let's move it to the correct position. So here I will move it in the edit mode. So the origin will in the middle. This will help when we will use the mirror modifier. Let's move it G and maybe I have to move it in the Z axis. If moving correctly. Okay, it's in the right position. Click to release. Then let's dig it inside the ball. It's almost looks good. Let's dig it deeper. Reduce the radius to dig it deeper. If it's hard to control, you can press the shift key. So this much is good, I think. Now increase the count to increase the thread amount, or there is another option. You can switch to distance and adjust the angular distance. This will evenly distribute the threads. 7.5 may be good for us. Okay, this will work. Now we have more two thread lines. Select this one. This threads looks bigger. You can make it smaller. Okay, let's keep it like this. I think it will be okay for our tutorial. You can do a precise size for your one. Let's copy this one for the second thread. Shift D to duplicate it and release it. Now we have to move it here. Go to the edit mode, then move it so the origin will be in the middle. Change the view to see it better. Press G and Z. This is this position is okay, I think. And the second stitch lines, the threads are a little tilted. So rotate it in the y-axis too, so it will looks little tilted. Dig this deeper too. I'm pressing shift to make the slider slower. Okay, this one is not hard. Now copy this and create the third one. Shift T, right click to release. Then go to edit mode, move it. Make sure you select all vertices, G, Z, then move. Make it go inside the ball too. Okay, it looks great. Go to the object mode, show the other part. Now we can remove or hide this one. We no longer need this stitch guide. You can delete it or hide it. In my opinion, we should hide everything until the project fully finished. Now let's add mirror modifier to show them in the other side. In the modifier tab, add modifier, then mirror modifier. This is working fine because our origin is in the middle. Let's do the same for the others. Okay, our ball is almost ready. The model is ready. Now it's time to add some materials. I am adding some simple materials. You can add your own. I'm using Voronoi texture. Let's add a color mix. Increase it to have a lot of small dots here. Make it little reddish color, and the other one should be little darker. Let's have some more Voronoi. Maybe some more. Yeah, it looks fine now. Okay, the stitches will be white. Uh, let's add a little noise though. Make it little dirty. Stretch them to add more of the noise. Close them up for more contrast. Yeah, it looks fine for me. I'm using this simple materials for the tutorial. You can add some good material for the real project. And with that, our cricket ball is complete. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.